ki bor punya district ke East Jaiñtia Hills ki la Pyntwa bat pengkelem no adu Hynñiew Tylli na ki khatwai Tylli ki karkhana sain renga doyong lani ki kok plan ki bala pentrikam klem da buat ki kendon katai ki kendon ki badai ber kemariang ber ki kendon ki badai ber ki Pyntip hakaching Pyntip usiwan jawasti IS Deputy Commissioner ke East Jaiñtia Hills District hakhar sautrik no pra jobsan laung bak kunhun be trelang ketup ki officer na ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board bat ketenat pulit kelala ban penprai ki Hynñiew na ki khatwai Tylli ki kok plan Be-aiñ haka balalap basau Tylli ki weipat la penprahi da ki badai trai kumba khandru Tylli ki kok plan la itu bagi long persya i kendon befer haka basan Tylli la penpra haki por bladep haki ceka befer ke tega district Lapa notis si khatwai Tylli ki kok plan hau risau arjarapsan bakin jubab ne bo di kendon henrai na marga jing sungap jarjar kumta kekenuan di trailang kalapan prai ki khalai trek nok pra arjarapsan. Baik sini lah ya.
So as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, joint team under the supervision of SDO Manish Kumar, members from Pollution Control Board and Police Department were given directions to undertake the demolition of all unauthorized coke plants in the district. So in total there were 16 coke plants that were identified who have set up coke plants in the district, but they have not taken necessary authorization as per the norms and criteria as laid down by the government notification. Out of these 16 coke plants, 5 have been demolished earlier. The remaining 11, we had issued a notice to them in the month of October to submit a compliance whether they have obtained necessary permissions for regularization, and since no reply was received from these coke plants, hence as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, the direction was given to these teams to undertake the demolition of these 11 unauthorized coke plants in East Jaiñtia Hills District. So these teams started their work from Saturday onwards, and as on date they have undertaken the demolition of 7 out of 11 coke plants, and for the remaining 4 coke plants, when they visited their site, they observed that they have already been demolished by the respective owners. So in total all 11 coke plants that were unauthorized are now not in operation.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.